If you struggle to crochet because you are left-handed, then Sarah Hatton's 3-part series will help you get on your way. In these videos you will learn how different it is to crochet if you are left-handed, as Sarah gets you working on the starter chain, the double crochet stitch, which requires working in the opposite direction to those who are right-handed, and the treble crochet stitch, which is often used to create granny squares, similar to knitting, which can then be turned into quilts or rugs. It's simple to learn how to crochet the left-handed way with Sarah Hatton. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy crocheting!